what's up guys, it's Brandon, and we're about to go up to Pine Mountain, Georgia for a little hike with Buster. Alright, so we're finally here out at Pine Mountain, you know, about to pay for parking and everything. Got me and Buster, you know, about to just go see how far we can hike for real. It's supposed to be like a 16-mile trail there and back. So we'll see how much we can get done. Dropping this off. And now we're ready to start. Alright, so just to give y'all guys like a little rundown what we're trying to do and everything. We're right here and we're trying to go up here to Cascade Falls. So you know, all the way right there. And this is a little bit of what it looks like from the picture.
Decided to bring out my ghost scope. It's a pretty neat little stick for real for if you have a GoPro. Just snap it on real quick and then just hold it up like so and just start filming with it. Really, really great product and everything. Love when I get a chance to use it. And yeah, like these trails, beautiful during the fall, just walking through and everything. Buster's just eating it up, loving it. Have to keep up with him, have to run and everything. But yeah, just super, super fun. Pretty good, great views and everything.
Good boy, bud. Yeah, bud. Good boy.
Buster's trying to go off the path a little bit. Nice, beautiful little creeks and everything. Just a beautiful view. It's a nice, awesome day just to go and do this. Definitely, if y'all live anywhere close where this isn't too far of a drive, check out the Pine Mountain trails. Beautiful view. Go down here and get a little bit closer and check it out. Nice little waterfall. I mean, ain't too bad. Maybe if we had a little bit more rain, go swimming or something. Might be some fish in it, ain't no telling, but we're out here at Big Rock Falls, try to get this in the view for you. Nice little waterfall for the drought we're having right now. You know, got Buster out here on a big old rock.
what's up, guys? So we made it to Cascade Falls. Just a beautiful, beautiful sight. Got Buster like super dirty. I don't know if you can see too good, but got some like muddy paws. Definitely gonna need a bath when we get home. But he's loving it. I'm loving it too. Just great time out here. Just beautiful views and having to walk over just muddy trails through creeks, rocks, all that, and just awesome experience and everything. First time doing something like this, just love it. Just very beautiful views. Glad I got to bring my dog Buster. I know he's loving it. He's just going crazy, running all over the place. Yeah, it's just a great time for real.
Alright, so we're up here at Wolf Den, overlooking Cascade Falls, and we just did a short little hike, and this seems to be the end of the video, guys. So just, if you want to see more, just subscribe to the channel, and just comment below, and tell me what you think. Give me more ideas and everything. Thanks for watching. This is Blaska signing out.